Friends, good day to everyone. It's been a while since we've seen each other. A lot has changed and happened during this time and so on. I just met Mykhalych in the forest. I wanted to check if there are any Morels, then saw Mykhalych running through the woods. Mykhalych, is that you?
Yeah, that's probably me.
So we stopped by to check if there is any conical morel. For those who don't know, it's a spring mushroom. It's a spring mushroom. Doesn't look like much, to be honest. I'll show you now. Here it is, but it tastes really good. It's fragrant. The taste of this mushroom is really delicious. Look, this is the conical morel. There's the morel cap and there's the conical morel. The difference is that the morel cap, this stem, it just pulls out, just like that. It's not attached. But here you see the cap is attached to the stem. Let's look around. Found anything yet, Mykhalych?
Yeah, there are a few here. Not too many so far, but we're finding some.
We need to find something to fry. Look, there are some nice ones here. Check it out. Show it to the camera. I brought a basket with me. Yeah, that's it. See, 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
And what did you get here? You see, friends, this is the little forest. I don't know if you remember. Maybe you don't anymore. But I used to pick saffron milk caps here. Or maybe some of you still remember. Yes, right here. 1 and 2. Look how he's leaning over. He bowed his head to me. Hello. Well, little ones, there are still more. Mykhalych, here are the little ones.
Similar.
A fat one, a fat one, a fat one, a fat one. What's up? Well, you need a knife, so I'm taking it out for this thick mushroom. Give it back. Nice thick mushroom, yes. With the knife, snip. I'll show you up close. Snip. Nice thick mushroom, snip.
Chic. Yevhenii. Snip, they're already a bit dried out. They've probably been here for a week for sure.
The temperature has already dried them out. Right here, just in front of this, in front of my briefcase. If there's more, that's it. It's hidden. Look, it is undercover. It is hiding. And that's it. You can't see them well. They're with the leaves. Yes, you can't see them well. This one too. These are fresh, nice and young. Now we'll find a spot in the forest. Our forest is mostly pine, right? Aspen and willow too, I know. I mean, where we pick, there's aspen and willow, and among them there are pines, and sometimes birches too. Honestly, it's not just aspen and willow here.
Aspen and willow are a must, because without them it won't happen in the pine. Aspen and willow are 100% necessary.
Such a little hill, such a little hill, such a little hill. That's all for me. I took out my knife and here they are standing. Look, what little boars are standing here. Well, that's it. Cool. Whoa. Such a good mushroom. Well, and they're hard to see, friends. You see, there are 2 more standing over there. They're hard to see. You have to look closely. You have to look closely, see how they are, what kind of camouflage they have, you know, what kind... Oh.
Яка в них маскировка.
Also good. This is in Italy, by the way, and these mushrooms are in high demand in Italy and are expensive. They cost a lot there. These mushrooms are expensive in Italy and actually all over Europe. For some reason, they're cheap here, and it's not clear why, because the taste of this mushroom is simply unmatched. Mykhalych says they don't grow in pine forests, right, Mykhalych? Now look, I'll show you. 1 pine tree, 2 pine trees. There's nothing here except pine trees, except I'll show you this clearing now. Here, Mykhalych, only pine trees. Mykhalych says they don't grow among pine trees. Look at the size of that mushroom. Look at that huge mushroom.
Опа.
These mushrooms, look like they're from outer space. This mushroom has survived since the time of the dinosaurs. Yes, and today we're going to taste them with potatoes. Yes, look, I can feel you, Mykhalych. All the small ones are here, all of them, see? The small ones are here, yes, the small ones are here. The temperature isn't suitable for them. They need +5 to +10 at most, because at +10 they already stop growing. Yes, so Mykhalych is our Morel expert, the director of the Morel house. Enough! Yeah, and there were some more around here, yeah, so why are you walking around with that bag? Tell me, don't you want a car? I'm walking around with a basket like a real mushroom picker. And you're walking around like a tourist, not like a mushroom picker. Yeah, and look at this beauty, wow. Look at it, Mykhalych, this one is just amazing. Listen, look at this beauty, it's really beautiful. It's growing there in these branches. Completely hidden in the branches, yeah. And here they're all still here. Oh, look at these beauties, they're all standing right now. How do you like this one, friends? Patient?
О,
Wild mushroom, the forest feels wonderful today. Yeah, Mykhalych? I'll say that we drove into the forest, I say. And they're still standing here breathing the fresh air. I haven't seen Mykhalych in 100 years. We met? You still catch such handsome ones on the frying pan. Look, he was hiding. See, look, I walk and see under my feet. Here's one, here's two.
Wow.
I'm not saying that you need them.
They're really needed. Look carefully, such sunshine, friends. Today in the sun, it's probably 25 degrees at least. And now I want to show you, look, these are the Chanterelles standing here. Little sisters, and right in the sun. Right in the sun. And these are big, thick, like boars. Well, calling them boars is an exaggeration, of course. They're not boars, they're piglets. Well, that's it. Look, a clean clearing, also clean. Look, clean, open, nothing is blocking it. Such sunshine, it's everywhere, you see. You'll find them. Such tiny little ones. Look, see how small they are.
Зовсім.
They look like some kind of flowers. Such interesting little mushrooms. But they're tasty. They're really tasty. Just don't confuse them with these, what are they called? With false morels. Those are completely different mushrooms because false morels, in my opinion, are disgusting. But these are all delicacies, real delicacies. I'll tell you, in Italy, for them, they pay big money to eat such delicacies. And here you can take everything for free and people sell it at the market. I don't know, well, how many hryvnias? 100 per kilogram, that's just pennies. I mean, for these mushrooms, it's just pennies. In Italy, they cost about 150 or 200 euros per kilogram. And here, 100 hryvnias, there's a difference. Silence, peace. It's just beautiful today. I'm done. The little thick mushroom is here. A nice thick mushroom is standing, that's it, smoke. Small like this. Not big, it's a young pig, the second one, and there's even a third, smaller one. Here's the third one. So, Mykhalych is already running around with a bucket, almost swapped the bag for a bucket, because the bag can't hold it anymore. Well, it's a good specimen, yeah guys, a real boar. So can we confiscate it? Are we taking it, friends? From him, from Mykhalych, from this little one? Are we confiscating it?
Dunno.
Well, friends, we've gathered a little. Now I'll show you what we've got from it. Mykhalych chopped this up while I was talking to you. Mykhalych was sneaking around quietly. He was picking up mushrooms like these. Well, I took some for myself to fry too. That'll be enough for me with some potatoes. Mykhalych actually has a bit more. He's got some nice boar pieces like these. Thank you. Alright, friends. I'll try to get in touch whenever possible. I wish you all good health and peaceful skies. Bye.